makes me feel better.
Oh no! Oh!
Excuse me.
You're spreading germs everywhere. Be careful. Okay, time to take you out of the baby cot.
Hey, Baby Ernie, what are you doing? Come on, be careful.
As you can see, Baby Sniffles Ernie is very cute, wearing the bedtime pajamas, a diaper, and a handkerchief for his nose.
Achoo! Oops. I got the sniffles. Achoo! Oops. Achoo! Hug, please. Achoo! Excuse me. My blankie makes me feel better. Achoo!
Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Yay!
Fluffy Jet Productions TV.
Oh, hello, Baby Sniffles.